Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can catch Morpho Luna in Heartopia. So start the straight insect event, but it's called Lost Bug event as well, and it is located at the Whale Mountain, and you're just going to talk to Naniwa to start the event. And basically you have to reach the third phase of the event to get that insect, because that's the only way it's going to appear basically. So this is the first phase of it. Just catch a lot of bugs again, pop some bubbles, and it is easier in my opinion if you do it on either a rainy day or when there's a rainbow, because you'll have more luck in my opinion. But it could just happen randomly. Like I joined the insect event that was hosted by Naniwa himself, and I joined last minute, and that was where I got the third phase. So you don't really have to be very picky on how you do it, but just do the event, pop some bubbles, and hopefully you'll get the third phase. And this is what the Morpho Luna looks like. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!